Hello students, welcome back to EduHub. In the previous video, you were explained the phrase and the clause, and one exercise also was given to solve to find out what a phrase is and what a clause is in the given sentences. Now in this video, you'll be getting the answers for all the questions that we have solved in the previous video. You can check your answers in this video. From the following sentences, identify the phrases. There are 12 sentences. I guess you all must have solved these sentences. Now let us check our answers one by one. Number 1. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. In this, the phrase is on a wall. Second sentence. There came a giant to my door. Phrase is to my door. Third, it was a sunset of great beauty. In this, the phrase is of great beauty. Fourth sentence, the tops of the mountains were covered with snow. In this, the phrase is of the mountains. Fifth sentence, show me how to do it. In this, the phrase is how to do it. Sixth sentence, I have kept the book at the side of the table. In this, the phrase is at the side of the table. Seventh sentence, playing badminton is my favorite pastime. In this, the phrase is playing badminton. Eighth sentence, we enjoy going to the library. In this, the phrase is going to the library. Ninth sentence. The queen wore an anklet made of silver. In this, the phrase is made of silver. 10th sentence. The queen spoke in a kind manner. Phrase is in a kind manner. 11th sentence. I like traveling to new places. In this, the phrase is to new places. 12th sentence. The book has a cover made of leather. In this, the phrase is made of leather. So all these phrases do not make complete sense. They are just group of words. So children, those were the sentences with the phrases and the answer key for that. Now let us find out our answers for the clauses which are given in the sentences where you have to identify what are clauses. I hope you all remember the definition for clauses. Group of words which have a subject and predicate of its own. Okay, now let us solve one by one. People who pay their debts are trusted. In this, the clause is who pay their debts. Second sentence. We cannot start while it is raining. Clause is while it is raining. Third sentence. I think that you have made a mistake. In this, the clause is you have made a mistake. Fourth sentence. We will go wherever our work takes us. Clause is wherever our work takes us. Fifth sentence. I spoke to the people who attended the meeting. Who attended the meeting is clause. Sixth sentence. I was talking to my aunt who lives in Kanpur. Who lives in Kanpur is the clause. Timothy called the police when he heard the noise. In this, the clause when he heard the noise. Eighth sentence. She was eating as if she was in a hurry. Clause as if she was in a hurry. Ninth sentence. Wherever there are flowers, bees will buzz. In this, the clause is wherever there are flowers. Sentence number 10. After the wheat is harvested, it is threshed. In this, the clause is after the wheat is harvested. 11th sentence. I didn't finish my work because I was unwell. In this, the clause is because I was unwell. 12th sentence. I saved money so that I could travel. So that I could travel is the clause. 13th sentence. If you don't hurry up, you will miss the bus. In this, if you don't hurry up is the clause. 14th sentence. I know a boy whose father is an astronaut. Whose father is an astronaut is the clause. 15th sentence. The magician will show us how he did the trick. Clause. How he did the trick. So children, those were the answers for the questions in the sentences where you had to find out clauses. Thank you all for watching this video and stay tuned for more interesting updates in my upcoming videos.